P baro shakatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta ka singi kilong. Sedang ka jing rakhe ya ka tayo penslur ban ai buin khun. Pan jing pensyai ki Samla KSU na Khubor ka MPSC. Lapan bena syuti baro ki skul ha Shillong municipal ha ka artarik Nailar. Ban Khot ya kendo UCM yakinong tray SSA 4 rai banwen yaki. Tomantag ne pai shiki Khubor ke ba company. Ka District Health Society East Khasi Hills ka badon ha ka jingkdup jang ka National Health Mission ha ka shitarik Nailar kala sedang ban rakhe ya ka tayo ban penslur yaki keme ban ai buin testa ya laki khun maria kha hapo ka shikanta. Ya ka jingelang play ya ka ni ka tayo penslur yaki keme ban ai buin ya laki khun la penlong hapom lum PHC ha ka ba ka kong amprin lengdo menteri ka wat ka khia kala long ka kong san baruba Ronnie V lengdo MLA uladon lang ha ka ni ka jingelang play ha ka jingkran ka kong amprin kala ya ro yaki nong trei jong ka kwat ka khia nadu ki doktor ki nurse ki asha ban baro kitu ki badan kti ban sumar ya kinong pang ki ba lasay borba ban preshitom na gabanta ka kwat ka khia jong ki padba uba Ronnie ula ai ka jingkran ken pham me kinong trei ka kwat ka khia ha ka jingtrei badan burom jong ki na ka banta ki padba ha ka ni kasngi baro kinong trei ka kwat ka khia kila shem ya ka raikut pledge ban penslur ban hikai ya ki kimi ki bawan sha sumar haki hospital PHC, CHC, ba dispensary, bakin ai bun, yala kijong ki khun shikanta hadin ba kilakha.
Bede ba pa pa. Malakran ki doktor shikma kasam nado benang pun. Kapag kya standard benang pun ndai ko dalakha ndai dala ba. Jylla da ba ka jet pendriu kapan biang lo nado musado. Kadai sya kya. Terima komen by Minister Jylla ibulkan nama ibat ke department Khubor beri lapalai Khubor perbuatan ini company kecil jongki yang ni kita pak samtam yang kilo kami bansumar bah bansyilkia yang kepada kia nanti dibuatkan bah di bagi department kilo kongsan apa maka sarkar beri lapalai teman hai ni IPHC jongki Khuborjylla Dr. Kaprin maka bila lapalai Khubor jongki perbuatan ini ban aiman sian yang kilo kami jongki peminde bansyilkia yang kepada kia namaka lada nimbai nimkia puliro non entri kita non leir non terus masuk ke kuat kia dengan bakong santam bangga sokemen bapa pomlo PHC dalam shilkia ini bangga kerpat ki bar kai bedal pernah di Asia di Anganwadi waka weekly pamra ni ke cingtip ke bokio na di doktor na di dietitian bangga soto ya kilo kumi jenis Shillong endok kung saan itang kata mangi iway dinyalong kita kinong ra Khubor binaktin harag bang yung ki ambassadors banlet siya kinong kami nama kumalaong tanggun kiba patsungtu pa yung korkor jom na kami pero small day na pi layuan katne ladakatne village sinong kita matray kani ka program ka salong ka job ladakasyukod no ta ni po ka hall to St. Thomas Church Tegapun natray kami program kajingwan ni minister ka sabay no dengan small tong ini Shillong iway nani idon kabanta pa proud Peit bami ai kapag kakya ya kajet pagyo jumi teng pinasa mapo sor jumi na ni po jaka jumi la shuril tang yang bulan sa pulabot ng baba tingin niya pagbunan kiyang bulan sa kanya bagtit nompang kanay Peit ba ibrebe lang na yek ipag ikya itre kita ipuli tuki ila ikambo pen mo dengan sotan kita hi na shipsur ila ni Chilias berborong juni yang terakhir jikaran dapat konsultan dengan sudah berkat lebih menangkum membeli dengan dokumen pala bandara ketu ba nantarai di dokter dapat pulung dapat district group kira pasien mengam pilih.
That is what we have to do all the figuring. You can pull a horse to a pond of water, but you will never be able to force the horse to drink the water. You cannot forcefully make him drink that water. So, we will work with communities who are positive, I request both the schemes, in this omno, this PHC is meant for the people, not for us to be fighting with each other, to be finding fault with each other, to be complaining about each other. That PHC is a center of love, of giving, of service. Get that in your head. And I will try my best to convert everything that is negative anyway into a positive thing. Lala ame katama try kong commentary that I think I would have done justice to the selection of my people when I run when long the policy maker. But nginya bersama. Ketika jing sisya everything cannot be done immediately. Ketika jing sisya nin bersama achieve. Not every center will give 100% achievement. Nga commend. As long as there is some visible change in the way we work. We work for the people and not for ourselves. It is the people's interests whom we will keep in front. But the recommendation is you don't look at the name, but recommend ba kami kanya. One donation is kan one but a long-lasting change. Change for the good. Change manbet ba inompang hindi ki priority to me. Ki citizens ki ban appreciate yang ka effort to me. Sinajang mo yang ki ashas, yang ki anganwari workers ki jongi. Ngim dagang por teng-teng ban ay kulipi. Mentalo ni ki ashas jangan bapi num ba kabayan ka personal tool jongi fi hamas kamen what has come ka betray. Please your yakin tablets ki jongi. Nila der ki tablets. Ngasong pa kidon ki work issues, ki remunerations, ki long due, kita ki jingyo, ki mapisno, ki kahok kajompi, kapakong sang kalau, apalagi kata berjiwa yang kahok, ayu ke contribution jona, siya ke community ke dalam IT yang amat baik. Magnaret malagat paro ni sedang banyak trihok, Shillong minot ya kakam kapalabu panama ini bende ngatarai nim kam kiu kecil parkam deh kecil sisa baka Jylla juni Jylla sakin tam piwa juni kita mana kalau bin berkat kita kas Jylla juni ni dang kiu pasak mah kumbang isa HIV AIDS kalau Samla concern ke crowd we haven't addressed kini issues, but kini issues tentang ilong so personal. Kajimbang AIDS, kalong so personal. Kakta ya, ka personal life na jowa. So when we
Kinoyalam berkirekod jangka tenat Employment Monitoring Cell jangka Khasi Students Union KSU haka jingelam jang Samla Ruben Najar. Kilawan hakmat ke office terekam jangka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC haka shitarig Nailar ringkat berkiplakat ban pan jing pensyai na uba PR Marwen chairman halor ki kenram ki bayadei berkajing penlong ya ki exam bat jing penbena ya ki result jangka MCS hakini kisngi balala. Kinongalam berkidekod jangka Employment Monitoring Cell jangka KSU ki kwa ba chairman un pelat padba ya ki result bala penbena bat ki bala penkela khnang banlaj na kanu ke jing artatin bat jing subas new. Hadin bala menjurlang ki bor jangka MPSC kila Khubor ban penmi padba hakapor janmit hakani kesngihi.
Jika kendu mentang sini bau chairman joko MPSC, kumbang ila kumkaseng bakal adawa ba dan kam biar MPSC bahkan pelat iki max jong borok ki candidates ki ba apply ke MCS nakaliang joka chairman joka PSC secretary kila idon lang bakila Khubor ya kata bakila ong bak sibet janmi hi kita perlat no ki marks jong borok ki candidates ba apply inan namta kani kam MCS ya kitu ki bala pas ba kitu ki bampat ba khamyo ru ya borok kin perlat ke marks te kum kaseng ni labu sakawi ka mat jingdawa ka badai bat ka kam MPS kumba PE ba ka official notification jong ka MPSC kalong ba kin khot interview tang ya ki khot interview tang ya at nyung Henry kidi ban khot kumba sapar sapulai ngut kal kum ka ratio halor tai benta nilai ekran nilai sat Henry khadu khadwai nomor ba idon illegal complication ki ong bakin ipor ki kindiat singi kindiat wa kenta bakin sapentip ingi hadin janmiat halor kata ka benta ka seng kal yaiban ba don comeback ban khot ya ka interview kat kum bala boh ka advertisement but ibenta ibalai ba habdi ka post of statistical officer kipen pau ba kadon ke jimbakla nakaliang ke jongki kum ka seng ngimla ban chanya ba kumnu kum kat kum ka APC kadang la ban bakla ki ai daw ingi ba ki ong ba ka advertisement gadi namta art post ni ki bakla ki namta kadon ka clerical error nakaliang ke jongki ba ki advertise tang kawi ke post nakaliang geseng ngimsu hon ya kata ni pha pini ki kot kisla boro bat ki ong makin sa pha ingi bat ngindang yai up ya kata ini jingle ijongi mentas ni ini tang idak ibarat tam ban kan sio ya ka MPSC ba nangni syakmat ngimdi ban i kini ki jikundrum kendram kini ki jikundrum kendram nakapor sakapor ngi i bagi juan bagi kena ba apply kam ki jumat nakapor sakapor ini ditang ijing le ibarat ijongi ban penkendet thia ya ka MPSC ba ja ka sarkar hikum ju hendrai nan ong yo pikawai ba kum kini ki jikunu kendram kidang yai don bet namar ba kat pat reform ya ka MPSC kat badang don hi ki chairman ki executive members ki badai ki political appointee kum kidi ki jingja kidang yai long nakapor sakapor nakaliang kaseng ki kindiat sngi ngilit bu ya ka jingdawa kamat ka sarkar cela bangindawa badan kam ban reform ya ka MPSC akibabun menta kimat ki banengkong banweng kita ki political appointee boro bandon ka eligible leaders ka babyang akipus MCS MPS baper ni bak recruitment kawan sisien ki sansnem sisien ki sponsnem endre ni ong ba kidi ban manusnem ni dawa ba bali kita ki UPSC candidates kim jumi na po ka Jylla ka jungi kumnu kin mi habatan ka MPS ru ki MCS ru ki mi sisien sansnem kani ko lokop ka training ground niki bakin krak ya ka UPSC tingi indawaru ba ya ka MCS nang ni syakmat di ban pinmino manusnam bat kiwi ki benta ba bun sing ki advertisement la sanriusnam ya ka post kim Jylla pan pendap ni dawa ba nang ni syakmat ba ki advertisement ki balat hapo sisnam di ban dap no ka recruitment process.
Director ke School Education and Literacy Swapnil Tembe IAS ulapan benashuti haka ar tarik Nailar ya baro ki school ki bahap badan hapo uput usam ke Shillong Municipal Board nakadaw kejing sedang joka duran football tournament Hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong. Director ke School Education and Literacy ulayo kejing ai jingmon nakaliang katanat sport sebahaka ar tarik Nailar kasor Shillong kan yo mat iki dheng kali ki bajur ha ki babun ki dong bat ki kentot jong kane ka nongba nakadaw jong kane ka jingele kai football la antar bat khmi lenti bakini ki dheng kali kin bu ya kalet kawan jong ki khna school ha ki jing e bat jing jakhom ki babun jat ha kane kasni Kumta ban kiar na kini kijing la idon kam ban pelaj iki kena skul da kaba penbena syuti no hakani kesni. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hakajan mit shi tarik Nailar ula khot yakran yakinong tray SSA hapo kalama jongko all Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association kiba don menta hakajing yaki baklembu por. Habakran berkilat patai Khubor ke Presiden jongkani ka Association kong Jennifer Syndrome kalau ong wat langi hun yakajing yakendu obat Menteri Rangba henrei ngimpat weng yakajing yaki jongi. Hakane ka jingya kundu obat Menteri Rangba ka sorkar kala rai ban thum daga komiti bakerpang ban Peit sani ban bishar yaki jingdawa jongkane ka kunhun kinong trei haki school SSA.
At first, we went to meet the Chief Minister today, and the Chief Minister has issued a notification in which the enhancement of salary, proposed enhancement and rationalization of salaries of all the Samla Shiksha non-academic staff from the state, district and block level consisting of the following members, and the committee headed by Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, who is the Commissioner and Secretary Education, who will be the chairman for the particular community. Then Sir Swapnil Timbe, our State Project Director, will be the member, and Sir Bantelang Karshandi will be the member. Sir P. Ring Sai, the member of the State Education Commission also will be the member. Shrimati Dora Rinja also will be the member. And all the members of the association at different categories, at different levels also will be the member in this particular committees. And then the committees has also the terms and condition. The first term and condition is that the committee shall examine all the proposal received thus far pertaining to the enhancement of salary of all non-academic staff of the SSA. The committee shall study the pay structure of other society in the state of Meghalaya and also make a reference to the pay structure followed in other similar institutions. The committee shall study and suggest steps to eliminate all the disparity in pay levels of the similar posts across various districts and blocks. The committee shall also examine the proposal received pertaining to the annual increments to such staff. The committee shall also consider the length of service for rationalization of salaries, seniority counts. The committee shall also make suggestions and recommendations related to the rationalization of posts of different categories. And the committee shall ensure that the guidelines and direction issued by the Finance Department from time to time are adhered to while making the recommendations. So this is what the notification talked all about. In the sense that done to exclude someone, it's better we feel it's satisfied at one point of time, because all the members are from the association itself, inclusive of from the state office, inclusive from the education departments. So we are all in the same loop. So now we will know how to get, and all the disparities will be correct. Some members, some of our staff who is at the block level are getting not even a minimal living wage. So in which we can now correct it. So we get this chance, and we will work together with the government, with the Commissioner and Secretary, and even we will present this to the Chief Minister.
So this committee to be headed by the Commissioner and Secretary, it will examine your demand for 80% enhancement, or what transpired in the meeting with the Chief Minister in regards to your main demands?
They have not yet give us the assurance on how much of the percentage will be calculated, but we will sit in the committee in which the outcome can be coming out.
So you will stick to 80%, or you will come down from that 80%?
We will always stick to our demands, that is 80%, 2% and 5% increment every year.
So the meeting will be held tomorrow?
The meeting for the members, committee members will be held tomorrow.
And any time frame being given to this particular committee?
They as soon as possible. So means we'll sit tomorrow. If any recommendation comes up, we can put up tomorrow itself.
So by then your indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue?
As of now, the indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue until unless we get the concrete thing which is related to our demands.
Kong, if you can also tell us the reason for your association not accepting the government's decision to enhance your salary by 25%? If you can tell us.
First of all, as I reiterate the words, that they have not included all the members all the non-teaching staff members in the proposal, of which we have seek clarification from our Commissioner Secretary this morning also, in which it will be withdrawn because there only some staff has been included, which is not very justified.
This some, the word you are using, some staff, does it imply only from the SSC or are you?
Badagi tu ki Khubor ngla poish kabakut, tat hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.